Hi there! The GDPR Compliance app offers a great method to be very specific about which data you're processing with combined lists. They let you group users, tickets, and organizations in different combinations to create smarter, more focused lists. It's a super efficient way to identify and remove targeted data sets without any guesswork. To start, go to Settings, List Management, Combined Lists, and click Add a new list. There are two ways to create a combined list: automatic, using pre-made list conditions for quick setup, or advanced if you want more control and detailed filtering options. Let's begin with the automatic method. Here, we've gathered the most popular combined list types to help you build them with just a few clicks. For example, the first option is users without requested tickets, which is often used to clear out inactive or unnecessary user profiles and keep your Zendesk clean. All you need to do is click Select. On the right, you'll see a panel where you can rename the list, add a description, and choose whether to share it with other agents by toggling the switch. Since this list doesn't require any additional filters, just click Load the List, and you'll appear on the Combined List tab with a created list. Here, click Load the List to see the results. Then, process GDPR request to launch the process as usual. If you choose a list that requires a time frame, like users without new requests for a certain period of time, you'll need to set that period manually. In our case, we use 6 months. Once you've set the time frame, click Load List, and the app will fetch the relevant data. The same goes for lists that include specific tags. You'll need to enter the tag you'd like to use to filter the data. Let's move on to the advanced method for broader options. To switch, just click on Advanced at the top. Start with the basics. Give your list a name, add a description if needed, and share it with other agents. We'll walk you through creating a combined list of users whose tickets have a specific custom field value. In our case, we're looking for tickets where the custom field reason for request is set to account deletion. So, the first step is to filter users who weren't updated this year. Click I want to find users, then hit Add Condition. Select the field updated at, set the condition to is before, and choose the first day of the current year. You can click Preview Users to make sure the filter is working as expected. Step 2 is to narrow these users to those with tickets with the account deletion request. To do that, select the Requested Tickets filter and add a condition for the custom field Reason for Request set to account deletion. The last step is to choose the combination method, either include or exclude. Include means you'll keep only items that match both sets of conditions. Exclude means you'll remove the ones that match your second condition from the first group you filtered. In this case, we want to include users who have tickets tagged for account deletion. Finalize by clicking Save. To launch a process with the list, head to the Combined Lists page and select the one you just created. Click Load List to preview the results. Then hit Process GDPR Request and continue with your usual setup. That's it. We tried to make it as easy as possible. And whether you're using the automatic setup or building something more advanced, you're in control of the data you're processing. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.